3. Oh. Bumaba inside for 8. A foul counted. Two, three. Ayan, o, depensahan lang, depensahan. Number 24, open shot. Yes, sir. 3 points. 6-2. Magasinas Caesar Sana all gets it in. 13, 5, 6. In the middle, De La Cruz once again. Pull up Jane, no good. Papinan. Number 7, De Luna. Plus the wheel. Inside, Tupo Pau. On the right side, 2 points. Change favor. 7-6. Number 24, Geronimo. In the middle, right side, Geronimo for 3. De La Cruz inside, big pass, pull up. No, roll for 3. Batasina, Mr. Sanaon. On the left side, De Luna for 3. Boswil, no good, tapi kay Boswil. Boswil to Mr. Sanaon. Another 1, 3. Batasina. Hey, basahin mo. Faking? No. Inside, number 27. No good. Magazina controls the ball. Then Luna. Pangilinan. Pangilinan. No. Magazina. Mr. Sana was rocking the, ano to? Red na to. Luka, no? Pau for 3! Nothing but the net! Number 24, Geronimo inside! There's no foul! Backleak to Pau, pull up Jay, no good. Backleak once again, finding the open man for 8. 3 seconds violation. Time remaining, last 6 minutes in the game. Score 13-6. Penetrate inside, 2 points. 8-13. Magazina faking on the glass. 15-8. On the right side, inside to AJ De La Cruz. To Black Ranger. 3. Chase score. 11-15. Lamang pa rin ang umunan na opensa. Pangilinan. Setting up the play. Traveling violation. On the right side, 3 points, derecho, nothing but the net. 14-15, speed move. Break 8 Sahon, 17-14. Hey, good defense. Bear handles. De La Cruz, number 27. Inside, no good. Backling, diretso, backling. Backling on the move. Backling creates. No. Pangilinan is there. Crosses over. Spins. Creates. No good. Back-break opportunity. To Flores. To Flores. Hindi. Magagina is there. Magagina. Stop and go. Inside. Foul. Side ball. 70. 14. Pakinan. 3. Yes, sir. 20. 14. That shot is brought to you by Tender, Juicy, Hot Dog. Inside, Gomez, making power move. 16, 20, what a play by number 27, Dalula. Pangilinan, Mr. Sanon breaks, inside pass, Kuya Moore, kanya ulit, waiting, no. Hey, low kick, no, backplay, deny it. Double, 3 ball. Inside, Kobe, ay! Ay, sayang! Sayang tayo. Ganda sana. Oy! Magagina controls. Deny! Oy! Stepping on the line. Mr. Sanol, Magagina. 3-point. Ah! No good. Last 2 minutes, 20-16. Open 3. No, De La Cruz inside, foul, and 1. 18-20. Yes, sir. 19-20. Depensa. Isa lang ang Flores, ha? Oy, muntik na. Depensa, Flores. Inside. Oh! Tinaliwan nito. Flores, attack. To Homies. Yes, sir. Change favor. 21-20. Will De Luna. Tumaw-baw. Babawi. Wala pare. Last 1 minute and 20 seconds. Lamang lang ng isa ang kumulan nila Flores. They need to stop this or else. May exclamation point na. Inside Flores to Homies. Homies number 27 sizing off. Finding an open man 3. No, Yabor for the rebound. Yabor saw the opportunity. At time inside, no. Pangilinan. Stops. With a ball. Last 40 seconds. Hey! 2 free throws para kay Yabor. 21-20. Mga kaibigan. First throw. Yes, sir. All 21. Pag na-shoot, lalamang. Oh, no good. Other side ball. Last 25 seconds. Hey! Good D. Inside! 2 free throws. 21 all. 18-15. Joke lang, all 21. All 21, last 18 seconds. All 21. 18 seconds. Oh, 18 seconds left ha. All 21. Ayun. 22, 21. Last 15 seconds. Last shot to pare. 10 seconds. On! Ah! Delay. 3 seconds. Kilo na. Ah! Sayang pare. Game on. Winner.